One of the craziest things that I hear real estate professionals advise their clients to do is to date the rate and marry the home. This is why it does not make any sense, well, at least to me. And I think the first point is extremely obvious, right? Because interest rates are unpredictable, and banking on the assumption that interest rates will drop so you can make your mortgage more affordable, it actually could backfire. Because like a lot of people are finding out here in Metro Atlanta when they bought those new homes, those buy down rates, if rates don't come down, you're stuck with that higher mortgage for longer than you expect. And although a lot of lenders are promising discounts and things like that when it comes to refinancing, you got to understand that refinancing a home loan is not free. It also does come with fees like closing costs, and also you have higher debt for a longer term. I mean, who cares? Most people overlook that anyway. And then one of the worst things that can happen when you're actually trying to refinance in the future is you have negative equity. Basically, that happens when you owe more on the loan than your home is actually worth. And of course, as you might have guessed, that makes refinancing completely impossible. And of course, if you're buying a home thinking that the rates are going to drop later, can you really afford that home? I mean, you're going to be limiting yourself financially for the foreseeable future just because you want to get into that home. And because you have higher monthly payments, that's going to delay things like travel, starting a family, or investing in personal growth, which of course we can all use a little bit of that. And my last point is that dating the rate, marrying the home gives you a false sense of security, because refinancing is not going to always be an option. There are things that you can't control, like economic shifts, stricter lending requirements, and those things that happen at any given time. And also, not to mention, personal financial setbacks could also eliminate you from even being eligible to refinance, like losing a job or just screwing up your credit. So at the end of the day, you do what you want to do, but